Hello everyone. Till now we have done what are decimal numbers and how do we represent them visually. Now we will move on to the decimal place value chart. We also know what is the place value chart of whole numbers. In whole numbers we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, then it moves on to millions, 10 millions. Now this is according to international place value. Now, in national place value, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, then we move on to crores and it goes on. Now, we know that in a decimal number, we have whole number part, we have a decimal point and we have a fractional part. So, whole number part has the same place value chart. Now, fractional part has different place value chart, and what it is, that a number which comes after the decimal. Say if I have 345.481. The number which is after the decimal, the first number which is after the decimal over here 4 has place value tens. It is at the tens position. Now the number 8 is at the hundredths. Please remember that here it is THS. Yahan pe it's only till tens. No THS is there. Now hundredths is TH, ends with the THS, and thousands also end with THS. So here the place value of numbers after the decimal point is tens, hundred, thousands, then goes on to 10,000s and 100,000s, as in we do in international place value chart. Now, what does this represent? Tens basically represents the fraction 1 by 10. Hundredths represents fraction 1 by 100. Thousands represent fraction 1 by 1000. So, 4 tenths basically represents 4 by 10. Hundredths tens represent number 8 by 100. And 1000 represents 1 upon 1000. So I hope this is clear. Now with this, let's move on to the next slide. Here you have to choose the correct option, which is the correct place value of correct decimal place of the number after the decimal point. So here the number is 5.26. Now it is at the first position after the decimal, so the place value will be tens. Then we have 4.172. It is at the second place after the decimal, so the place will be hundredths. In this one, this is in the third part, it is at the third position after the decimal, so it is at the position thousands. Fourth, 7915, again it is at the third position, so it becomes thousands. Here, at the first position after the decimal, so it is tenths, and at the second position after the decimal, so it is hundredths. So I hope the place after the decimal, the place value chart is clear for the decimal numbers. Secondly, what is the place value of them? For 2, it is 2 by 10. 7, in the second one, 7 upon 100. In the third one, it is 1 upon 1000. The fractional part, 5 upon 1000, 6 over 10, and 4 over 100. Now, this is very important to know because we will use this concept in expanding the decimal numbers. I hope the place value chart is clear by now. And in the next video, we will move on to how do we read and write decimal numbers. Thank you.